Here are some more locks from my previous video. But anyway, we're going to be getting this right here. Open it. See? Just rotate the thumb turn. And it freely spins. But it does not extend the bolt. Right here is what we're going to get. And it's on sale for $88.99 at Menards. So I'm gonna grab this, and I'll see you guys later on with this. This is James BE365 here, and I got a great video for you guys. 3 years ago, about something like that, I got the FE595 Schlage keypad lock, which is this right here. That's what this is. I haven't been using it. Not to mention that there's some screwed up wires, and I never installed it to anything. I got it just for some videos, and we're going to be unboxing a BE365 Schlage keypad deadbolt. I've been waiting years to get this thing, to finally be able to say, YouTube, we are going to finally be doing this video. And guess what? Today is that day for me, whenever this video is being uploaded, of course. Alright. So here's the box. Okay, see, you got a keypad deadbolt. You could make a code, and then you would turn the thumb turn. So let's read what it says in the box. It has keyless conveniences. It has like ways to do it. Over here, these, but I'm not gonna use those. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out an old deadbolt. I'm just gonna put this one in, and I'm gonna keep the old handle, so that way I can lock it at night. But during the day, I can keep the handle unlocked, so I can use my code to get in. Because then at night, I have a little more security. So that way my handle's locked, because if someone sees the code, someone could just get in. Anyway, so it says code or key. Keyless option makes sharing access easier and more secure. Backlit keypad. Silicone coated keypad prevents numbers from wearing off. And there's a low battery indicator. You can program up to 19 codes on this keypad. In total, there are 20 because there is a programming code. So that's why there's only 19. But you can create and you can delete access codes for trusted friends and family, or for out-of-town visitors, or if you're having maintenance on your house, you can give them a code and they can come in. Then you can delete the code when you're done. This is a really good keypad deadbolt. I highly recommend this. 5-star it, because this keypad deadbolt works so well, it's so secure, and it's been the company says it's been trusted over 95 years, and it's easy installation. This side says that it is here. See, that's what it says. It says the BHMA certified product has been tested to a good C, better B, best A rating. And in each of these areas, security, high residential security rating, no more keeping track of keys. I mean, obviously I'm going to still have my keys on me in case the battery dies. Durability, highest residential durability rating, premium metal construction. And the finish is highest residential finish rating, tested to withstand harsh environmental factors. And it's lifetime guaranteed as well. But obviously, these things will, even though it says that, I mean, if you take good care of this, lock, you're gonna have a very secure home. And if you guys want, you guys can always upgrade to some new locks like the Schlage Touch. Like you can get a BE365, which is pretty much this, except it has no key to it, but it has it's pretty much this, but it has touchscreen numbers and sorry. My bad, guys. It doesn't have a key, and if the battery dies, you just use another 9-volt battery, and you just hook it up to the front. It's very simple, actually. And I highly recommend these keypad deadbolts. Anyway, I've talked for a bit now, about 4 minutes exactly. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So what we're gonna do is I gotta remove all this plastic on the front of the box because I want to open it. I mean, can't do that with all the plastic on all the plastic sticky stuff on the front. But yeah, this is the Schlage BE365 or they call it the BE365. Yeah, I am finally doing this. I am so excited to finally unbox one of these, because these are just really good. And you know what? I'll be right back. If I use a knife, guys, I can open it up. See, if I just stick a knife in there, then I can open it. Be careful with knives. Also, maybe a little, no, maybe not. Okay, the box is now opened. Careful with safety with these knives. This is a very sharp knife. Let me throw that out of here. We're gonna open up the box. We're now going to find the keypad and all the other parts. I don't wanna like break anything, so I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Oh, I can hear the metal in there. So, oh wow. So here's the box. There's nothing else in there. It's all in here. So yeah, I got everything. Okay. So I got everything I need. I just need to take everything out of the box. The thing is, I just gotta do it carefully, not to destroy anything. Not right away when I first get this lock. Don't want to do that. Oh boy. Oh, it's looking pretty nice. It's almost all hooked up already. Just take that out. Gotta be careful of the cords. But yeah. Alright. Here is the BE365. I think it's still got tape on it or something. But yeah, here it is. And got 2 codes already programmed onto this thing. But yeah, knob is gonna freely spin. Here you got the keypad. You got your 9-volt battery. See, 9-volt battery and some screws and other stuff that you will need. You got I mean, you gotta have this, otherwise it's not a deadbolt. But you can adjust this by turning it. See? And yeah, this is it. This is the deadbolt. Does it only come with 1 key? I only see 1 key in here. Yeah, I only see 1 key. Here is the back plate, by the way. Like I said, it's brand new. This is a brand new BE365. And this part is heavy. This is straight metal. But yeah, you can there's things you can do on this thing where you can override the lock. I'm not really sure. I think I knew how to do it at one point, but then I forgot. Alright. So yep, here's the key. I'm going to demonstrate the key real quick. The key is very interesting on this. I've never done this before with the key. It's also very heavy as well. Actually, about, I'm going to say about 10 pounds. Nah, maybe not. But yeah, to open it here, I'm going to do this the best I can. You put the key in. You turn it. You push the cylinder in. And it would, well, yeah. See, the cylinder came in. See, what happens is you put the key in. This goes down, and it, see, See, now this would be the locked, unlock, lock. See? Pull it out, and it freely spins. Push it back in. Getting the key out, okay, there we go, can be tricky. But yeah, this is it. It's very nice. Very well done. Alright, we're gonna I will see you guys in the next video. I will be installing this. So stick around for that, and I'll see you guys. I think I should have showed you guys all the parts in this. I never did that. I'm not gonna show you guys the manual because the manual has all the codes on it and stuff. But a key, the battery and the screws, the deadbolt, the keypad assembly, the back battery compartment, and the back plate. Other than that, I mean, that's it. See, put that there. This was the plastic that it came in. It's got the outline of the BE365 on it, because it pretty much came assembled together, and this was how it was. It slid through like that. So actually, that might actually be a good way to install it. To like practice installing it is like through this. That actually might be a good idea. I'm just kind of give myself an idea. But anyway, I'm gonna cut here, and I will see you guys in a second. Not see you guys later. Why am I saying a second? I'm about to go film installing this, so I'll see you guys soon.